In this lecture, we will see about the preparation of amines. First, by ammonolysis of alkyl halides, then by reduction of nitro compounds, and by Hofmann degradation method. First method, by ammonolysis of alkyl halides. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic solution of excess of ammonia, it will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction in which the halogen atom is replaced by the amino group to form primary amine. This process of breaking of CX bond by ammonia is known as ammonolysis. It is also known as alkylation of ammonia. Here we have to take alkyl halide and heat with excess of ammonia, that is alcoholic solution of ammonia. Alcohol will act as a solvent. When excess of ammonia is used, we get the primary amine RNH2. So the reaction, it is carried out at 373 Kelvin, that is 100 degrees Celsius, in a sealed tube. It should be noted that primary amine which is obtained in the first step is a stronger nucleophile than ammonia. Hence, it's further react with alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amines, and finally quaternary ammonium salt if ammonia is not used in large excess. So if we want only the primary amine, excess of ammonia should be used. So when excess of ammonia is used, we get primary amine. If ammonia is not used in excess, we will get mixture of secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salts. So the order of reactivity for alkyl halides with ammonia is Ri greater than Rbr greater than Rcl. Iodides, they are alkyl iodides, they are more reactive than alkyl bromides, more reactive than alkyl chlorides. See the reaction Rx plus ammonia excess, that is alcohol is a solvent. When we heat it, we get RNH2 plus HX. Next method, reduction of nitro compounds. Aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds, they can be reduced to primary amines by using metal acid mixture. It can be zinc HCl, tin HCl or FeHCl, or by catalytic hydrogenation, that is H2 nickel or H2 platinum or H2 palladium, or we can also use lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 in ether. Reaction is RNO2 plus 6 times hydrogen in presence of tin HCl. The oxygens will be removed in the form of water. 2 oxygen will be removed in the form of 2 times water, and hydrogen will be added. So RNO2 will be converted into RNH2. In this way, by reduction of nitro compounds, we can get primary amines. If you take the example CH3NO2 plus 6 times hydrogen, tin HCl gives CH3NH2, that is methylamine plus water. Next, reduction of alkyl cyanides, that is alkane nitriles. Primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of alkyl cyanide R C triple bond N with sodium and ethanol, or lithium aluminum hydride can also be used. So primary amines, they are obtained by the reduction of alkyl cyanides with sodium and ethyl alcohol, that is ethanol. This reaction is known as Mendes reduction. It can also be brought about by lithium aluminum hydride. Example, general reaction R C triple bond N plus 4 times hydrogen sodium ethyl alcohol in presence of lithium aluminum hydride will get RCH2NH2. The triple bond between carbon and nitrogen reduces to the single bond. Here 2 hydrogen will be added to carbon and 2 to the nitrogen. So we get primary amines by reduction of alkyl cyanide. This reaction is Mendes reduction, that is reduction of alkyl cyanides by using sodium ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride. Next method, by reduction of amides. Primary amines which have the same number of carbon atoms, they are obtained by the reduction of amides by lithium aluminum hydride in ether or by using sodium in ethyl alcohol. So acetamide CH3 C double bond O NH2 amides, acetamide plus 4 times hydrogen in presence of lithium aluminum hydride in ether, or we can use sodium in ethyl alcohol. It is converted into CH3 CH2 NH2, that is ethylamine. Here carbonyl group is converted into methylene group, that is CH2, by using lithium aluminum hydride in ether. Ether is the solvent, or sodium in ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is the solvent. So it is a fourth method to prepare primary amines from amides. Next method, Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Now this method is used for the synthesis of primary amine. Gabriel thalamide synthesis, it involves 3 steps. First step is the formation of potassium salt of thalamide. Potassium salt of thalamide from thalamide on reaction with alcoholic KOH, alcoholic potassium hydroxide. And second step is the formation of N-alkyl thalamide, N-alkyl thalamide from potassium salt by the reaction with alkyl halide. Second step, we get the N-alkyl thalamide. And the third step, alkaline hydrolysis of N-alkyl thalamide, it forms the corresponding primary amine. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo the nucleophilic substitution with the anion formed by the thalamide. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method. So we will see the 3 steps in the preparation of amines, that is the synthesis of primary amines by using Gabriel thalamide synthesis. First step, thalamide, phenyl ring with 2 carbonyl groups, that is C6H5 attached with 2 carbonyl groups at the adjacent position C double bond O NH C double bond O is known as thalamide. Actually it is obtained by reaction of phthalic acid and ammonia by the loss of water molecule. Phthalic acid means C double bond OH, C double bond OH to the adjacent position of benzene ring, and we react with ammonia, so there will be loss of water molecule. So thalamide will react with alcoholic KOH in alcoholic KOH. There will be loss of water molecule. Alcoholic KOH we can write K plus OH minus. So OH minus will remove the H plus. It will be there will be loss of water molecule, and there will be formation of salt, that is potassium salt of thalamide, C double bond O N minus K plus. So this potassium salt of thalamide will react with alkyl halide Rx in the second step. So X will be removed in the form of KX, and R group will be attached to nitrogen. So it will form NR, that is N-alkyl thalamide. And in the next step, N-alkyl thalamide will react with NOH, aqueous NaOH. So we will get the sodium salt C double bond ONA C double bond ONA, that is sodium thalate. If you take 2 times NOH, ONA will be attached to the 2 carbonyl groups, and the remaining hydrogen will combine, the remaining 2 hydrogens will combine with nitrogen to form primary amine RNH2. So by Gabriel thalamide synthesis, we can prepare primary amines in the 3 steps. First step is the formation of potassium salt of phthalimide, second is N-alkyl phthalimide, and third is the N-alkyl phthalimide will react with NaOH, aqueous NaOH to form sodium phthalate and primary amine. This is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Next method, by Hofmann degradation. Hofmann rearrangement or Hofmann bromamide degradation or Hofmann hypobromite degradation. So it is a good laboratory method for the conversion of an amide into primary amine which contains one carbon atom less. So this reaction is brought about by warming amide with bromine and concentrated aqueous KOH. So if you take amide RC double bond ONH2 plus bromine Br2 plus aqueous KOH 4 times KOH, when we heat it, the carbonyl group will be converted into carbonate. So from the starting compound, we have one carbon atom less in the product. RC double bond ONH2, the carbonyl group will be converted into carbonate and we'll get primary amine RNH2. Bromine will be removing the K plus ion, that is 2 KBr in the form of 2 KBr, and the remaining 2 potash will combine to form carbonate K2CO3 plus 2 times water. So we get primary amine. So amides, they are converted into primary amine. In this method, we get the product with one carbon atom less than the starting compound. So that is the starting compound amide. So this reaction is known as Hofmann bromamide degradation. Degradation means the number of carbon atoms is reduced. If you take example acetamide CH3 C double bond ONH2 plus Br2 plus KOH, that is 4 times KOH aqueous, will get methylamine CH3 NH2 plus twice KBr plus potassium carbonate K2CO3 plus water. So in this reaction, one carbon atom is less in the product. Acetamide with 2 carbon is converted into methylamine containing 1 carbon. So this reaction is known as Hofmann bromamide degradation. So in this lecture, we saw the methods of preparation of amines, that is ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Rx plus ammonia alcoholic excess will get primary amine. The reactivity is iodides greater than bromides greater than chlorides, that is alkyl iodides greater than alkyl bromides greater than alkyl chlorides. If excess of ammonia is used, then we get primary amine, but if ammonia is not in excess, we get secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salts. By reduction of nitro compounds by using tin or HCl or FeHCl or zinc HCl, RNO2 group is converted into primary amine RNH2 plus water. By using reducing agent like sodium and ethyl alcohol, that is Mendes reduction, alkyl cyanides RC triple bond N, they are converted into primary amines. We can also use lithium aluminum hydride. RC triple bond N is converted into RCH2NH2. By amides, reduction of amides using lithium aluminum hydride or ether, we get the product with the same number of carbon atoms. So acetamide converts into ethylamine. Here we can use lithium aluminum hydride or ether or sodium and ethyl alcohol. In the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, reaction will take place in 3 steps. So the formation of first step is the formation of phthalimide, potassium salt of phthalimide, second is N-alkyl phthalimide, and last step is the primary amine. Phthalimide reacts with alcoholic KOH to form potassium salt of phthalimide. Then this potassium salt will react with alkyl halide to form L-alkyl phthalimide. And in the last step, N-alkyl phthalimide will react with aqueous NaOH to form sodium phthalate and primary amine. And in the last reaction, Hofmann bromamide degradation, the amides, they are reacted with bromine in aqueous KOH to form primary amine plus KBr plus potassium carbonate plus water. Here we get the product which contains one carbon atom less than the starting compound. So this reaction is also known as degradation, Hofmann bromide degradation. Hofmann bromide degradation. Thank you.